I'm Kirsten. This is Matt from Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything I want to buy. So today we have 2 different things. First, we have the OFRA mystery box. Now this one was a little bit pricey. I think it was 55-ish US. So we have that one. And then for the hubby, I got Meundies, which, I mean, people are pronouncing Meundies, so I have no idea how to pronounce it. So he doesn't really know what's in here, and I picked it, so it should be quite interesting. Do you want to go first? You want me to go first?
I'll go first. All right.
So basically, the subscription, this costs, it's about $18 a pair of boxers, which is super expensive, but I mean, you can choose them. So they do have 3 different tiers. You can choose basic, so basic colors. You can choose bold colors, or you can choose adventurous. Now, I chose for him, so I chose adventurous. And I can actually go and choose what they look like without him knowing.
This will be interesting. All right, so let me reach in here and put them on. How many's in here? 1 or?
I have 3. This one, but you can usually 1 or 2. You can add as many as you want, as really you want to pay for.
Oh, we got one out here. Oh, nice. Oh, I see Woody. It's a Toy Story. See Buzz. Nice. Some Toy Story boxers. My son's gonna love those. He loves this Toy Story. It's pretty good. They actually seem like good material as well. Going to be comfortable.
Yeah, anytime I see him in them, I'm gonna be able to tell him I can see his Woody.
Yeah. All right. Let's see the next one here. It's just easier to rip the packaging open. There is a seal thing here, but let's just rip it open. Got this one. Oh, I see a beaver. That's just very Canadian of us.
So the best thing about this subscription is the names. Like, I mean, this one is called Busy Beavers, because, I mean, who wouldn't want a beaver sitting on top of their... And it's called Busy Beavers. There's like, you know, like crazy names for some of these that are just hilarious.
All right, let's see what the next one is here. Some ramen noodles or Mr. Noodles. It says send nudes. That's hilarious. These are funny. I kind of like the humor of it too. It's pretty good.
Yeah, so basically...
Seem comfortable too though, like the materials.
I should hope so for $18.
Is that what they are each?
Yeah.
They're a bit pricey, but they're good material.
They're almost like silky.
They really do have their own tag in them too, which is interesting for like their own brand. So it's really well sewn in and everything. So.
All right, so that's his. So he will be getting that every month, and I get to choose them. I mean, each month they only come up with a couple new ones, so I'm really hoping that there's some good ones coming out. I know there is a Friends one, but I mean, I don't even think you watched Friends, so I mean, I feel like it's wasted on you.
Yeah, I watch Friends, but
Would you want their underwear though?
it wouldn't matter to me too much. But.
So, I mean, there's lots of different ones. Not all of them are funny, but I tend to pick like the funnier ones. I mean, he's got a Woody, he's got send nudes, and he's got a beaver on his crotch. What's not to like?
All right.
So now we're gonna get into mine, and this is the OFRA Cosmetics. And if you are not familiar with OFRA, oh my god, you gotta try them. They are absolutely amazing. A lot of their products are kind of like universal. Like, I mean, they sell like, you know, like a face palette, but really you can use it like the blush as eyeshadow, you know, even the highlighter as eyeshadow. It's just, you can use it wherever you want and it just works. So when I open it, it's gonna look like this. Right off the bat, I see a highlighter palette ×2. Now, is there names on these? Oh, yeah. This one's called Milk and Cookies. And this one is Beverly Hills. So we're going to try Milk and Cookies first because I'm in. Why not?
Some milk and cookies.
Yeah. So nice, like, basic packaging, but, you know, nice. Okay, so there is a little mirror. Oh, I better cover that. And that's what it's gonna look like. You know what highlighter is?
Yeah.
What's it used for?
For marking things in a book.
No, it's
like this one up here.
See, it adds like a little shimmer. I probably have too much now because I already had it on, but see?
Very shimmery.
So there's 2 different shades. Obviously, that's gonna be in low, and that's gonna be the cookies because I mean, obviously the colors. So I really like that one. I've been so excited waiting for this box, and I mean, I always have lots of boxes coming, but this one just made me excited for it. I honestly love all their products, so. And I know it's weird to say that, but I mean, there's probably stuff there that they have that I obviously haven't had yet, therefore I don't know. But everything I have had, I've loved. Okay, and this is what they call Beverly Hills. So it does have a bunch of different, like, shades in it to try. So all these can be even like it's just so pigmented. Like, I mean, you could use that as eyeshadow. It's like a gold eyeshadow. Or pink. Like, it doesn't have to be a highlighter. That's like their good thing about them. Like these are like highlighters and they're way more pigmented than I just shot my last video. Like, this is like 2 palettes worth. Like, there's no pigmentation. But I'm like, these highlighters, like, light hits it. Like really, really nice. So I'm really, really happy with these 2. So far, so good. So next we have a pressed powder. And it is a blush duo and it's called Chick Lit. Do those still exist? Chiclets?
Chiclets?
Chiclet?
Oh yeah.
Gum?
Well, they do. Yeah.
I haven't seen them in years. So again, all these packages look the same, but that's okay. I mean, it's their thing. And okay. And there is the blush shades. It's just pull this because I need more room. Okay.
Okay, you see it?
What do you mean? It's right there.
Where?
It's a blush. It's not supposed to be super pigmented. You don't want to look like people used to do in like the 70s and 80s. It's supposed to be. Do you notice I have blush on right now?
Mm-hmm.
Can you actually see?
Mm-hmm.
You're lying?
Mm-hmm. I mean, no.
It's supposed to be subtle. It's not supposed to be like red dots on your cheek. Talking to men is like talking to children sometimes. All right, and next we have the Symphony Holiday Set. So, I mean, they probably are selling these at like Christmas time and they still have some left. And they're like, oh, let's throw it in a mystery box. Because, I mean, that's what almost every company does when they do their one-off mystery boxes. But I don't care because I'm going to check it out and whatever. I don't really care what people label as long as it's not expired. And I don't see expiry date. Okay, so first we got the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Pasadena. Just reminds me of Big Bang Theory every time I'm like Pasadena.
Oh yeah.
All right, where am I gonna put this? Okay. I don't like the color. I don't know if it's gonna work with me, but it's a nice shade. I mean, it's not hot pink, so I'm happy there. Okay. So next we have a lip gloss in the shade Blissful. I'm always super harsh on lip glosses because I really hate when they're sticky. You know what? It's not sticky. I'm okay with it. I actually like it. What does it smell like? It smells like something weird.
Couldn't tell you.
It smells like something. You know, you get that, like, you smell something, you're like, I know what that is. It reminds me of something. I can't remember. And it's going to bug me until I remember. It doesn't smell bad. But that's our next item. I'm going to stuff all over it from my fingers. Okay, next we have a little palette. And it looks like it's got some eyes. It does have a tiny mirror, but it's covered up right now. It does look like it has some eyeshadows and a highlighter in the middle. So it says, give them pitch perfect eye look with this palette of melodic moves? Melodic, I don't know. And warm shimmers, featuring and inspired by our blissful highlighter. These harmonious shades never miss a beat in this easy to carry compact with a mirror. How to use. Like all other OFRA shadows, apply the lid with a dry shadow brush or dampen the brush for a bolder look. Oh, so that's it there. So, I like this color. I'm going to try this one because I really want it to work. Can you? Yeah, fresh skin. Okay, I like it. I like it. Wow, your skin doesn't take any pigmentation. What's wrong with your skin? It's like virgin skin to makeup. It should be like... Oh, I wanted it. Okay. I like it. Show the camera. Those are 4 of the 5 shades. Obviously, I didn't do a highlighter because we just did all those highlighters. So that is one of our... Oh, get that out. I got makeup all over now. And that is our other one. So last but not least, it looks like a palette. And this one's called Blushful. This one was Blissful. This one's Blushful. So, I mean, I'm going to assume it's blushes. And I would be right. Now, this doesn't have a mirror. And it does seem like there's a little bit of cracking somewhere. Because there's some product up there. But I can't see where it came from.
Just in packaging, probably.
Yeah, I mean, there's no, it's not cracked or nothing. So this is what it's gonna look like. I mean, there's 6 different shades. There's Brave, Pink Ribbon, Confident, Powerful, Warrior, Hope. So, I mean, this could be so nice. Like, it's very, very pink. Oh my god. No, you gotta let me put it in right. No, you gotta work it in. Okay, but I might have put too much on him. He never lets me do this stuff. It's stuck in you like...
I don't think most women are hairy. Like this.
No. Anyways, that's it for the video. I don't think it looks so pretty. It really brings out your bone structure, though. Makes it look like... Anyways. Thank you for watching with us, or watching us, I mean,
yeah,
acting weird. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're going to get updates when we put new videos up, which is every couple days. Comment, let us know how you're liking it, if you want us to change anything or any suggestions, and also any suggestions of different subscriptions or mystery boxes that maybe we don't do, because I'm always open to anything, and we will try our best to get it. Not saying that we will 100%, because we are in Canada and some people or places just don't ship here for I don't know what reason, because I mean, we're not that far away from the States. Just toss her over the border, people. But anyways, thanks for watching.
Thanks, everyone.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, everyone.